Jennifer Park at Waterloo Primary School, Key Stage 2 teacher with PE lead. I think it's really important that children get to try as many different sports as possible. We do put quite a lot of focus on things like football, basketball. Archery is something completely different, something that perhaps they've never tried before. The children are really enjoying archery. They're showing good concentration, good teamwork, working on their own, empathy towards each other. It really does show completely different side to a lot of children.
We'll get around 15 children today. We've got 3 boards. I don't really want more than 5 children on each. We've got the boards this way around today, so they can try and get the highest score they can out of 3 arrows. And there's a bit of adding up for them as well. Safety is one of the first things that I try and teach them when we're doing archery. There is, as you can see, there's a row of spots here for them to fire from. So when it's their go to fire, they stand on that spot. And we've got a second set of spots set back for the rest of the team to be waiting behind. Other skills that can be incorporated are things like they have to be able to listen to the little coaching points and take that on board. Obviously when they are shooting and getting the score, you have to add up what they're getting, so there's a little bit of numeracy involved as well. A lot of the skills are quite technical.